8 reasons to buy Litecoin now. So many people are saying that crypto is the new gold rush. Now that the opportunity to own a bunch of crypto is here, we don't want you thinking about what could have happened. Bitcoin may be the big dog in the game, but there are plenty of other players in the game. So here are the top reasons to invest into Litecoin now. Welcome to the Lavish list, your guide and path into the crazy life of the wealthy. If you're not subscribed, you're missing out. Number 8, Litecoin uses the Scrypt protocol. Exclusivity is what dictates value in society. When the supply is drastically lower than the demand, you'll have a goldmine product on your hands. Litecoin shows its value and exclusivity because it uses the Scrypt protocol instead of SHA-256, which implies that miners using hardware to run the Bitcoin network cannot switch over to Litecoin. Thus, it adds to the decentralized experience as the big miners cannot easily optimize their profits by swapping. Basically, Litecoin with its decentralized nature makes it difficult for Bitcoin miners to switch over their returns into Litecoin. That is super beneficial because that essentially lowers the amount Litecoin available in the marketplace. And like simple economics says, when the supply is much lower than the demand, the price skyrockets. Furthermore, they're working on confidence transactions as well, so overall Litecoin looks good in technical perspective. So definitely start buying as much Litecoin right now while the price is low. Number 7, Litecoin has faster processing. In this digital world, and especially in the money world, speed is everything. If you can't catch trends fast enough to take advantage of the marketplace, you'll never be successful. The faster processing, big blocks, and more coins in circulation makes it easy to adopt. In a test conducted by a user to compare the speed of coins transferred from exchange to the hardware wallet, Litecoin performed best by transferring 23 coins in under 10 seconds. The faster you can get your coins from the exchange to your hardware wallet, the faster your transactions will be. Being faster than Bitcoin at processing is already promising, especially since Litecoin is still in its infancy. This has led to the business paying attention to Litecoin's advancement and adopting it in their ecosystem as well. For example, the popular e-commerce giant Overstock.com has been accepting Litecoin as a form of payment. The more people accept your coin, the easier it is to grow your user base.
Refresh.
Number 6, Litecoin was the first to integrate segregated witness. First of all, when we say segregated witnesses, we're not talking about people in the witness protection program.
Now y'all got a reason, so of course the go-to is, oh, he snitched.
Litecoin was the first to integrate segregated witness, which will allow the use of Lightning Network enabling all its participants to exchange currency at virtually no cost. It's similar to Robinhood and Webull, allowing no commission stock trading. If you exchange your currency at virtually no cost, more people will always have your currency due to the low cost and value. Its usability and relatively less volatility makes it a suitable option for the merchants. Payments of transactions for vacations, gifts, and even previous metals can be easily made through Litecoin. Along with the retail adoption, merchants, exchanges, wallets, and other infrastructure are also integrating them in good numbers. Elza, an EU online retailer, accepted Litecoin as a payment method in February 2018. Number 5. Litecoin is a great method for storing value. People say that money doesn't grow on trees. Even though practically that is true, technically money does contain paper that does grow on trees.
Kendall, you have to think about what you're asking for because money doesn't grow on trees.
Yes, it does. It's paper.
Litecoin did not rise only because it is useful and because widely adopted, but also because of the fact that it is a great method of storing value. The limited supply makes the currency very deflationary and is one of the prime reasons for the frequent rise in the prices. Litecoin is already a great concept offering real service to its users and has great inherent value. Number 4, Litecoin is the 5th largest cryptocurrency. Many people say that size isn't everything. Well, that may be applied to sports like basketball or boxing.
Isaiah tries to go up and make a pass, it seemed, to Julius. But
However, that doesn't really apply to crypto. Bitcoin may be the big fish in the pond, but Litecoin is no slouch. Litecoin today is the 5th largest cryptocurrency, using blockchain technology with a market cap of $11.68 billion and historic volatility of 9.46%. As most of the cryptocurrencies, Litecoin also struggled in the beginning of 2018. The value slumped from $346.37 on December 19, 2017 to $246.86. On January 5th, 2018, it further declined to $117.95 on February 5th, 2018, but recovered somewhat since then and is valued at $241.50 on February 20th, 2018. Litecoin started at $4.33 in 2017, which depicts that it was enjoyed extraordinary growth. If history tends to repeat itself, we can likely see Litecoin continue in their growth. Number 3, Litecoin has low volatility. Look, we all would love to have that one trade, that one huge trade that will make us live the good life and make us financially free forever.
Now, the key to making money in a situation like this is to position yourself now before the settlement.
Unfortunately, the stocks that will make you that much money in one trade are likely very volatile, which means that you may have a huge reward, but the risk is just as high. And we know you guys are smart investors who put your money into things that are likely to give you a return. Thank God Litecoin has such low volatility. Since there are so many investors, but not too many to manipulate the markets, the volatility is low enough that you can invest with a peace of mind. Number 2, Litecoin looks like it's undervalued. We all know you've heard of Gary Vee, the multimillionaire serial entrepreneur who believes in hustle, hustle, hustle.
I'm very fascinated by the conversation of work ethic, hustle, overworking. I'm fascinated by people's ability to not take on accountability.
There's one thing that he truly understands, and that's finding value in places most people can't or won't look.
I think garage sailing is the big ROI play.
Going by Gary's methods, you can find a lot of untapped value in Litecoin. Litecoin has been used even a funding tool by a platform called BankX, which is designed to tokenize and validate illiquid assets like real estate and venture capital portfolios. The customers exchange their other cryptocurrency for Litecoins in anticipation of a transaction and may prefer to fund the ICO with Litecoin to save fees. The steady and less volatile nature of Litecoin makes it great for spending, trading, or arbitration. Many cryptocurrency enthusiasts have compared market capitalization of Litecoin with others, and after doing the math based on its maximum number of coins, processing, and other traits, have given a view that it is undervalued. Number 1, Litecoin incorporates LitePay. Litecoin is expected to launch LitePay in the last of February 2018, which will facilitate transactions through Litecoin and even store, spend, and convert LTC into dollars. Like we said before, a cryptocurrency that has many different companies adding their currency to their payment options is a cryptocurrency that definitely has a bright future. With so many progress made on the Lightning Network and plans for confidence transaction, Litecoin may evolve as one of the most used cryptocurrency, leaving others in the dust. And that just about wraps things up for today. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please give us a like and let us know in the comments exactly what you would do if you were filthy, filthy rich. We would love to hear from you, so tell us. Remember to smash that subscribe button and share this video if you want more ultra luxury videos just like this one. This has been the Lavish List. You stay classy, YouTube.